Today I want to share with you creamed carrots. I showed y'all a video of them already cooked last week and everybody wanted the recipe. So I'm just making a little bit for Amy and I'm using my homegrown carrots. I have about, I'm going to give it to you as the recipe will be, even though I won't have as much here. A half of an onion. You want to cut it up and you want to do it kind of in slices and do it in some butter. Put a lid on it and cook it for a while. And once it's tender like this, you want to add your carrots. You can cut them up however you want. I cut them up and try to make them kind of the same size so they'll cook the same. And this is a piece of bay leaf. And it does make a difference. The bay leaf was really, really good in this. So I'm just going to stir this up a little bit. I'll put a little salt on it. I'm going to salt it again later. And now we're going to put a lid back on this and let it cook down till it gets a little bit tender. I don't want it totally done. I want to tell you a really special story that was told in church last Sunday. Stacy was at church. Now, mind you, we go to a little church out in the country, way out in the country. And it's a small church. And Stacy was up there doing something, and when she left, she saw a car drive up. And it pulled up in front of we have like a circular driveway. And it pulled up there, and she kind of waited, and it was at dark. So she went on home, which is real close, and then she thought, I think I'm going to drive back around there. She drove back around there, and the car was still there, and she kind of looked out of the corner of her eye, and we have a big white cross out front, and it has a light on it, and it's really, really pretty. And there was a man kneeling in front of the cross praying. She said it touched her heart so much, and she said, I didn't know whether to stop and see if he needed something, and she said, I just left, and she said, I came back a little later, and he was gone. So our little church way out in the country is touching lives and touching people, and which is what God wants us to do. So I just thought you might like that story. And I'm going to cook these about another 8 or 9 minutes, and then we'll come back and finish them up. Okay, I've been cooking this, maybe 8 minutes or so, and you can tell they're starting to get a little bit brown there. Now I'm going to add a little flour. Like I said, this is a smaller version, but Amy will post the recipe for using a whole pound. You'll be using a whole pound. Cook this up a little bit. Okay, and then I'm going to add some chicken stock. This is just bouillon and water. I have it on about medium heat, and I'm going to stir this around. The time I made them before, I made them a little too thick. I put a little too much flour in them, and I don't want to do that on this one, so I may just put a little more water in it. Okay, I'm going to cook this down about 3 or 4 minutes, and then we'll go to the next step. We're almost through. Next step, you can see they're cooking down. We're getting a little sauce there. I'm going to add some cream. I'm going to add another little pat of butter. I'm going to add some pepper. I'm going to add a little nutmeg. All these little things, these little extra things in this is what made these so good. You liked them, didn't you, Amy?
Yeah.
I thought they were good, and they were kind of a little bit different thing you can do with carrots. You could even put some peas in here, too, and make it peas and carrots if you wanted to. Okay, and one more little touch, a little bit of apple cider vinegar. I'm just going to put a little bit. Okay. Looking good. Okay. Now, they just got to cook a little bit longer. They will be ready to chow down. Well, they're done, and they sure are pretty. They're just a different looking carrot. And I think peas would be good in there. And I do have a few peas from my garden. So the next time we do them, let me try one right quick. Make sure it has enough salt. I did put a little more salt. I'm trying to come up with a way to describe them besides just really good. It's creamy. You can taste a little bit of vinegar and a little bit of nutmeg. Some of them are dunner than others. It's just delicious. That's all I can say.